doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady tonight.
You just want water, right?
Sure do I drink it straight.
Oh, your branches are dry for me.
Don't need no glass, no eye.
Yes, I can.
Don't need no twist or lie. And now it's summertime. Oh, relax, sweetheart, and it'll be easier. Come on and join your dentist friend and mustache. They're right inside. What's the name? Get off her! Get off her!
Audrey, are you alright?
Yes. No.
Audrey, don't die, please. I need you.
You know, the plants in the street just saved just now. It's an oil, and Mr. Lustig were already inside.
It's true. I fed them to you.
And that's what made it so big and strong. And you're so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey. Not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.